Hey guys, here's a little Redline Proline bike check update. A lot's happened since I last posted a video on this bike. First off, let's start off with the front end here. I just put in the Redline flight grips. I think they're pretty nice. Feel really nice. They're really tacky, cushiony. Feels good, you know, with or without gloves. The Shimano DXR, you guys already saw that in my last video. There's the other side there. Then, down on the bottom, we've got the Answer Dagger fork. Really nice fork, really light. Huge difference from the chromoly fork that was on there, the stock one. I love it, can't say enough about it. Then, we move on to the wheels. I put in the Sun Envy wheels. Had them put in the red nipples on there to kind of, you know, accent the rest of the red on the bike. Did that. I think it came out pretty nice. Let me move up to the top. Stock stem, hollow point stem from Redline with the Answer carbon fiber headset spacers. Two small ones on the bottom, one larger one up top. I like the headset, or I like the stem down a little bit with the Answer compression nut. Then we move on to the Redline padding here in the top tube. I like that. Kind of gives it a more like a little retro look kind of thing. I think that's pretty nice. Then move on to the pedals. Put on the Shimano M530 pedals. Really nice, really smooth. You know, they're adjustable on both sides. They're obviously SPD pedals. You know, you can adjust the tension, so easy in, easy out, or stiffer in, stiffer out, you know. Really nice. The Tioga D-Spider pivotal seat in black. I like it. I ordered, it should be in hopefully, well, it's going to be New Year's Eve pretty soon, so I think Wednesday, Thursday, so maybe hopefully next week. I ordered the profile spider adapter thing where, and then I also bought the Renin chainring, 44 tooth chainring with the profile spider to adapt that on. Because I really like the Redline's cranks, the flight crank. I like that. The aluminum ones, aluminum flight cranks, those are really nice, but you know, for the money, I'd rather spend the Shimano DXR, but those are like $400 or $500. So anyway, yeah, the Shimano DXR V brakes, pretty nice. Then move on to the back. Same on the back here. We've got Sun Envy wheels with the red nipples on there, really nice. As you can see, gives a nice little accent. And that's about it. Really sick bike. I like it a lot. Really, it's really light overall. I'm really psyched about it. So probably I'll do an update once I put in the new chain ring and stuff like that. So anyway, there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. A little last overview of the bike. And that's it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Any questions, comment? Have a nice day.